Hey there, hello everyone, welcome to today's spread love video. I hope you're all doing well and you've had a lovely start to your day. The sun is shining where I am, so I'm definitely going to enjoy some of the sunshine today, maybe sit outside for a little bit, soak up that vitamin D, go for a nice walk, things like that. I'm just cooking some lunch at the moment. So today's song, I'm going to sing a song that I love singing. I've sung this song a lot. It's Songbird by Fleetwood Mac. Some of you might know it from Eva Cassidy recording a version as well. And that's a track that I'm going to use today. I'm going to use an Eva Cassidy track. It's a song that I love singing. It's probably one of my favourite songs to sing. And I used it as part of one of my MA projects when I was still at university. So yeah, this song, I've got a lot of use out of this song. So I thought I would share it with you guys today. Enjoy. Songbirds keep singing like they know the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you like never before. Songbirds keep singing like they know the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you like never before. Like never before. Like never before. There we go. Songbird, a beautiful, beautiful song. I think it's an underrated song, to be honest. It's really lovely to sing, and it's quite an easy melody. So if you're just starting out some singing over this time and you want something quite soft like that, maybe you've got a slightly higher register, give that one a go. That's one of my recommendations anyway. So thank you very much for listening today. I'll catch you all again tomorrow, as if tomorrow's Friday. I'm really losing track of the days at the minute. I know I have these videos to sort of keep me on track. So like Monday I've got my live stream, Tuesday I do my 2 tunes, Wednesday I do my Wednesday warm-up, but then sort of Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday all sort of blurs into one, and I'm never quite sure where I am. But I'm sure it's Thursday. I did warm up yesterday. It's Thursday today. So lots of love to you all. I'll see you all later on. Is anyone else excited for Lady Gaga's new album? It should be releasing in the UK tonight at midnight, and I think Cameron and I are going to video call at midnight and have a bit of a listening party together, which will be quite fun. So it's going to be a late one for me, so I might have a little cheeky nap during the day today. But yeah, enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy the sunshine if you've got it. Get out there, get that vitamin D, get that fresh air. You'll feel loads better. If you've woken up today not feeling particularly great, you'll feel loads better for going outside. I'm the worst at doing that. When I feel rubbish, getting outside for fresh air, but I know it will make me feel better. And the days where I actually do it, I feel miles better. So I'm going to do that today. Lots of love. See you tomorrow. Keep smiling. Keep taking care of yourselves and of each other. And have a lovely day. Bye for now.